Hey there, fellow real estate enthusiasts. Ready for an adventure that will make your heart race and your love for luxury living soar? Imagine this. You're pedaling your way out of Waikiki, the wind in your hair and palm trees swaying overhead. Welcome to the ultimate bike tour experience brought to you by Bike Tour Hawaii. This isn't just any bike tour, folks. We're talking about exploring Hawaii's wealthiest neighborhoods, the places that put the letter M in marvels of wealth. Picture yourself rolling up to some of the most magnificent residences in Hawaii. These homes are the epitome of luxury, boasting the finest construction and decoration techniques you'll find anywhere. But wait, there's more. On this professionally guided tour, we don't just admire these opulent homes from the outside. Oh no, we take it to the next level by walking through these properties on public open house days. Imagine stepping inside and getting a first-hand look at the stunning interiors and breathtaking views. And just when you think it couldn't get any better, we top off this incredible experience with a delicious meal at one of Hawaii's iconic local cafes. After all that pedaling and property admiration, you'll need to refuel. And what better way than with some mouth-watering Hawaiian cuisine? So prepare yourself for a bike tour like no other. Whether you're a real estate lover or just looking for a unique way to explore Hawaii, this tour has something for everyone. Bike Tour Hawaii is leading the way to amazing experiences for travelers from around the world. Secure your date and time now. Don't miss out on this one-of-a-kind adventure. Grab your bicycle stallion and let's hit the road. Trust me, this will be a ride you'll never forget. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next adventure.